Welcome to a brand new exploration of the latest breakthrough in drone technology. Today, we're diving deep into the most recent leak surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro drone that's poised to push the boundaries of what's possible in the sub-250 grams category. Let's break down the exciting confirmed specifications, cutting-edge features, release expectations, pricing details, and some surprising design shifts that might change the way we think about compact drones. DJI Mini 5 Pro, fresh design, and advanced safe buzz around the drone community has been ignited by a recent leak, featuring one of the clearest prototype images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro to date. The unit appears to be undergoing active field testing, suggesting that the drone is in its final development stages. What immediately grabs attention is the inclusion of a highly advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing system, a feature that has been absent in previous Mini models. Unlike its predecessors, which typically offered limited obstacle detection, this new design seems to enable full 360-degree coverage. For drone pilots, this marks a huge step forward in safety and navigation precision, especially considering the drone is expected to maintain a weight under 149 grams, keeping it below regulatory thresholds in many regions. What's particularly intriguing is the potential redesign of the folding mechanism. The leaked images hint at fixed propellers with integrated safety cages, possibly indicating a shift toward modular or detachable parts to maintain portability. It's a bold design direction that could offer enhanced safety while still aiming for compact storage. Camera excellence, a major sensor upgrade. One of the most impressive changes in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the camera upgrade. According to the leak, the drone may feature a 1-inch sensor, a significant improvement that could deliver remarkable image quality, especially in low-light scenarios. This upgrade is expected to bring improved dynamic range and sharper visuals, perfect for creators seeking professional-level results from a compact drone. The camera module itself appears to be redesigned, with a more open structure and fewer protective barriers, likely supporting 360-degree gimbal rotation. This would give pilots unprecedented flexibility in capturing unique and dynamic aerial shots. The potential for cinematic movements, smoother transitions, and creative freedom makes this drone a highly attractive option for photographers, travelers, and content creators alike. Smart flight, precision sensing, and stability. The Mini 5 Pro seems to incorporate advanced obstacle sensing technology that could rival higher-end models. Reports suggest that the drone will use long-range sensors capable of detecting obstacles up to 25 meters away with a wide 60-degree field of view. These sensors are said to be optimized for low-light environments, enhancing safety even when flying at dusk or in challenging lighting conditions. Additional design elements visible on the prototype hint at larger sensor housings, indicating the presence of sophisticated flight stability features without restricting gimbal rotation. If these features are finalized, the Mini 5 Pro could offer one of the safest and most stable flying experiences in its weight class. Battery breakthrough, extended air time. Perhaps one of the most groundbreaking improvements comes in the form of the drone's battery system. According to certification documents, the new battery is expected to offer around 4,680 mAh of capacity, significantly higher than previous Mini models. This upgrade could enable flight times ranging from 50 to 55 minutes per charge, a massive leap from the approximately 34 minutes provided by the earlier Mini 4 Pro. This extended flight time could open new possibilities for creators who need longer sessions without frequent battery changes. Additionally, there are hints that DJI may introduce rapid charging capabilities, further reducing downtime between flights. Boosted performance, motors, and storage enhancements. Performance upgrades go beyond the battery. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come equipped with more powerful motors featuring ventilation slots, potentially the first time such a design has been introduced in the Mini series. These motors could improve wind resistance, increase lift efficiency, and offer more stable performance at higher speeds. Quick-release propellers also appear to be part of the new design, making it easier and faster to swap blades in the field without dealing with small screws. This practical enhancement improves the overall user experience, especially for drone enthusiasts on the go. Onboard storage is getting a boost as well. In addition to the usual microSD card slot, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to include 32 gigabytes of internal memory. This small but meaningful addition ensures that pilots can still capture footage, even if they forget to bring an external memory card. Advanced connectivity and control feature. The Mini 5 Pro seems to be adopting DJI's latest O4 transmission system, which may offer an incredible range of up to 20 kilometers, placing it among the top-performing drones in terms of signal stability and distance. It's expected to support the latest RC controllers and may offer compatibility with motion-based controllers and possibly even DJI's latest FPV goggles for a more immersive flying experience. Additional control innovations may include the introduction of a dedicated flight mode button for instant access to cinematic preset maneuvers. There are also rumors suggesting DJI might integrate voice command functionality and possibly in-app audio recording, allowing pilots to narrate their flight experience directly from the app, features that could appeal to vloggers and social media creators who want real-time commentary. Pricing expectations and launch timeline. Based on industry trends and the development timeline of similar DJI products, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in September 2025. The base package, which would likely include the drone, one battery, and a standard controller, is projected to start around $850. A more advanced bundle, featuring additional batteries and an upgraded controller with a built-in screen, could reach approximately $1,100. Considering the significant technological upgrades, this pricing seems to position the Mini 5 Pro competitively within DJI's lineup, offering an appealing balance between portability and professional features. Final thoughts: the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears to be setting a new benchmark in the ultralight drone category, with its major camera upgrade, all-around obstacle detection, extended flight times, quick-change propellers, improved motors, and the potential for voice control and real-time commentary. This drone is shaping up to be much more than just a hobbyist gadget. Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, traveler, or simply someone passionate about aerial exploration, the Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver an exceptional combination of performance and creative potential in a compact, travel-friendly design. Stay tuned for more updates as the official launch approaches.